Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my smoothie video, I really appreciate it. If you like my videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That would be great. I'm regrowing that. Just remove the lower leaves, stick it in soil, and give it a lot of water. Cut off the top of the pineapple. Cut off the end so it's square. It's kind of tricky with a paring knife. It's better with a French knife, but this is all I really have that's sharp. And slowly, carefully glide the knife against the skin and peel it off. Try not to waste too much pineapple. All this is going to my compost pile. Commercial soil is expensive, so waste a little, and that's alright with me. Pineapple's a bit slippery, be careful. Remove the eyes. I could do a better job removing the eyes, but I assume it has fiber, and he doesn't like fiber, and plus it's going to be a smoothie, and smoothies have a bit of texture anyway. Now slice around the core on all sides. Adios. And slice it. The pineapple is going to be frozen. In this recipe I'm using about 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple. It doesn't have to be cut perfectly evenly. And once again, be careful, this is very slippery. Make sure you have a tight grip on the pineapple at all times. Go underways when it makes sense to do so. Slice, slice, slice. Beautiful, I love pineapple. Bananas. Just like the pineapple, I'm also freezing the bananas beforehand. Ew, gross. Sometimes you don't know what you get until after you peel it. Smell you later. It's not really necessary to take the strings off, I just do out of habit. I was going to use 1 banana, but that's not very much. So I'm using 2 bananas. This one doesn't have that black rot, that's a good thing. Be sure to freeze for at least an hour before making the smoothie. Kind of tight. Now what I'm doing has nothing to do with the recipe, but I'm sticking the peels cut up in water in an airtight container for a few days to water my plants. Ginger. That's all I'm using, but I'm regrowing this ginger. I'm not showing it in this video, but on my personal Steem account I will be blogging about my garden. I do have a Thai ginger plant. To regrow the ginger, simply stick it under loose soil so it's maybe 1/2 inch below the soil. You can use a spoon. For me it's easier with a knife. Just glide it, don't really cut it too hard or too deep. This is not Thai ginger, this is regular ginger. Hopefully I'll have some plants. Hopefully it'll grow. carrots. The carrot top greens are edible, however I'm not using them in this recipe. It gives it a different taste. I'm also regrowing the carrots. Cut them off like so, and stick it in soil so the greens are sticking out and it'll grow back. No need to peel the carrots. I wash them off and scrub them well. Cut them up so it's easier to blend. I'm slicing thinner on the thicker parts of the carrots and not as thin towards the bottom. Chop, chop, chop. Carrots are so good for you. I'm using the juice of one full lemon. Lemon will help preserve it longer. In a blender, add some water. And blend the carrots for at least 2 minutes on high. I'm using a presetting for juice. It's not going to blend the carrots perfectly, but I'm blending it twice, and it'll have a bit of texture when it's done. Be sure to find a complete recipe on the Steem blockchain, link in the description. Don't cry over spilled almond milk. Add it to the blender, add some turmeric, however you say that. The lemon juice. Frozen fruit on top. Blend it for another 2 minutes, and it's ready to drink. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Have a great day.